Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to send money or transfer crypto from PayPal to Binance, then this video is for you. So first thing, there is a question that can you deposit from PayPal to Binance? There is a quick answer that no, Binance does not support crypto purchases through PayPal as it is not listed as a deposit method, and their testing fund on way no way to fund an account directly. So you can choose to buy or sell crypto with fiat currencies like using PayPal. Users must rely on an alternative exchanges like Bybit. This platform offers a similar user experience to Binance while providing a secure and cost-effective way to convert PayPal funds into crypto. But if you want to use your PayPal with Binance alternative, then you can do is buying crypto with PayPal is possible through Bybit's peer-to-peer, the P2P trading platform, which supports over 300 payment methods. User can purchase USDT with PayPal from other users and trade it for 100 plus cryptocurrencies directly on Bybit. So you can go with the Bybit here, or you can do is you can go to your PayPal account here. When you are on your PayPal account, you can do is add your credit card or debit card or your bank account on your PayPal account. So when you have connected a bank account or a credit card, debit card, you have to connect that exact credit card, debit card or the bank account with your Binance account. Then you have to transfer the money to from PayPal to that bank account or the credit card or debit card. Then you can purchase any cryptocurrency on Binance through the same credit card, debit card or the bank account, the credit that you have transferred from the PayPal to bank account. So this is alternative way that you can follow, or directly depositing any cryptocurrency from PayPal to Binance is not possible currently. Or you can do is you can talk with any seller like peer-to-peer, the P2P, person to person, selling on Binance also. So you can ask them that if you can pay with the PayPal or they accept the PayPal payment, so you can purchase some cryptos from them in person to person with the PayPal payment option. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.